ezyZip.
How to compress AVI file. Go to ezyZip.com, then click on Compress, Video, and navigate to Compress AVI File. Enter your desired file size in MB or in percentage, and click Next. You will be redirected to the correct file compression page. Click Select AVI File to compress to open the file chooser, or drag and drop the AVI file directly onto ezyZip. Click Compress AVI. It will start the compression process, which will take some time to complete. Click on Save AVI File to save the compressed AVI file to your selected destination folder. It's that easy. I hope that helps. Please click the logo and subscribe. It would mean a lot to us.